If you saw me in this outfit, you might think it came from a high-end boutique or department store. But today, I'm partnering with Walmart to prove that great style doesn't have to cost a fortune. And this fall collection is unbelievable. Let's start with the first outfit. Every fall wardrobe needs a great blazer, and this one from Free Assembly is such a find. It has knitted cuffs peeking out of the sleeves that make it so easy to scrunch them up if they're a little bit long, and they make the blazer a little more casual. I paired it with these wide leg patch pocket jeans, also from Free Assembly. Now these, they sell out and come back in stock all the time. Right now, at time of filming, these are in stock, but don't wait because they probably will sell out. If they do sell out in your size, just keep checking back because they do restock them. And what really takes this outfit to the next level is the accessories from Walmart's new brand, Scenario. I love the burgundy color in this scarf next to the gray blazer. And scarves are back in a big way, especially wearing them kind of bandana style this way around your neck. The oversized woven bag is giving serious designer vibes, as are these booty mules. The bag, shoes, and scarf come in multiple colors, as does the blazer. I'm wearing a size small in the blazer and a size 4 in the jeans. Now, if you want to keep that elevated feel, but swap the blazer for something a little softer, take a look at this blouse. This feminine blouse with rounded collar looks like something you would find in an expensive boutique, but I found it at Walmart. The details on it are exquisite, making it look so much more expensive than it is. Barrel leg jeans are still dominating the fall trends, but finding a pair that fits correctly and doesn't overwhelm your frame, especially if you're petite like me, finding that for under $100 can be a real chore. But these barrel jeans from Free Assembly hit right at the ankle and taper perfectly. To round out the look, I chose these woven Mary Janes and this faux suede saddlebag style crossbody. Both of these are from Scenario. Both the shoes and the bag come in additional colors. I chose burgundy for these shoes. Or wait a minute, are these brown? I think these are called burgundy, but they kind of look like a really dark brown slash burgundy, so they really can be worn with a lot of different things. And they've got that little strap there that is fully functioning. You can adjust that buckle. So the woven trend, again, is something that is very big for fall 2026. Okay, since I already have the barrel jeans on, let me show you how to take these same jeans, but style it for an effortless casual weekend. This orange cable knit sweater from Free Assembly gives that classic preppy collegiate energy. The contrast tipping at the V-neck draws the eye up and elongates the neckline, while the cotton knit gives it structure that isn't too thick but isn't flimsy either. The colors are warm, rich, and they give you that autumn feel immediately. Here I chose those No Boundaries retro sneakers. These were one of my top 5 best-selling items for all of 2025, and they're back this year with even more colors. I styled this outfit with these brown ones, and I recently picked up the same shoe in a beautiful navy, and I already had the white ones from last year. These are genuinely comfortable and a budget-friendly way to bring this trend into your wardrobe. Now, when we transition our wardrobe into fall with richer colors and textures and layering, our prep routine has to transition with it. You can wear the most elevated outfit in the world, but if your skin looks parched or your hair looks flat, the whole look loses its polish. Today's video is sponsored by Walmart, and I'm featuring their premium beauty event, which is going on right now. Most people don't realize that Walmart carries high-performing, true luxury beauty brands. First, elevated fall style starts with skin prep. I've been using the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast facial spray. It's an incredibly soothing and repairing concentrated spray. It's especially great if your skin barrier is compromised, you have dry skin, or you're recovering from treatments like me. It soothes the skin and gives you a deeply hydrated base before you start the rest of your beauty routine. And summer can leave our hair dry and depleted. Walmart even carries salon luxury brands like Kerastase. I have used Kerastase products for years. They have a line of products no matter what your hair type or what your needs are. I use the Genesis line. This is the shampoo and the mask. And the Genesis line is for hair that has become compromised or weak and is breaking. So if your hair is like over-processed or just dry or damaged, this helps repair it and restore it. I love the hair mask. It's so luxurious. It's got such a nice, rich texture. Smells amazing. And I use this at least once a week on my hair. These really are unmatched for strengthening your hair and giving it that healthy shine. And the final accessory to elevate any fall look is a signature fragrance. They even carry iconic luxury fragrances like Flower Bomb from Viktor and Rolf. This has been one of my favorites for years. It's rich, warm, and the perfect finishing touch for the season. I also picked up some everyday essentials during the beauty event, like the Garnier Micellar Water for easy makeup removal, even for sensitive skin. The La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Lip Balm is light, non-greasy, and locks in moisture. And the Kristen S Heat Protectant Spray to keep my hair protected during all those fall blowouts. Walmart's premium beauty event is happening right now, and you can grab all these items online with fast shipping. I'll have all these products along with all the clothing and accessories linked in the description and in the pinned comment. If you notice that my face looked rather red during the beauty segment, you're not imagining things. I recently had CO2 laser skin resurfacing, as well as a neck lift and a facelift. So I am still in the process of healing. Parts of my face are still kind of stiff and don't have full movement back yet, but I'm getting better every day. And that redness is going to stick around for a while, but it's getting better every day too. Now that our fall beauty routine is set, let's jump back into fall wardrobe pieces with a color that's going to be everywhere this fall. Burgundy is one of the colors of the season. And this short sleeve sweater from Free Assembly is perfect for those early fall days, or even now when you're ready for fall, but it's still 90 degrees. The beaded embellishments on this sweater add interest without going overboard. And if you look closely, you'll see that these are actually little bugs. How fun is that? Now this top runs a little bit small. It's cut to be fitted, so I sized up and I got a medium in this, and it fits me like it should. It's a fitted top. I paired it with these ecru color barrel jeans, also from Free Assembly, to keep the look light, sophisticated, and rich. Rounding out the look is a pair of pointed toe mules. Mules are always a great shoe for transitioning into fall, and these are faux suede with a buckle across the top and that pointed toe to elongate your leg. I got these in this dark brown, but they also come in burgundy and black. Now, I've shown some shoes and accessories from the Scenario brand, and if you're looking for a pair of utility pants with a more tailored fit, check these out. These green utility pants from Scenario are a game changer. They're made of cotton, have an incredible drape, and they put elastic in the back of the waistband so you get a perfect fit with no gaping. I'm wearing them in a size small. Styling them back to this white ruffle trim blouse keeps the utilitarian aesthetic polished. The brown woven bag from Scenario and the faux suede mules round out the look. And to show you how versatile these utility pants are for everyday wear, I swapped the blouse for this burgundy cable knit sweater hoodie from Free Assembly. It's casual, cozy, and gives you a pulled together weekend look that feels like loungewear, but looks completely styled. And I'm wearing the hoodie in a size small. A huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget that every single item, my sizing info, and beauty products are linked down in the description and the pinned comment. If you enjoyed today's fall lookbook, give it a like and share it with a friend who likes high-end style on a budget. Thanks so much for watching, and until I see you in my next one, bye.